Solid advice for someone looking to invest their money. Are you interested in investing, but don't know where to start? Does the idea of risking your money scare you? Continue watching this video and you will find some easy ways to ensure that the money you invest is put to its best use, which is a great way to make you the profits you desire. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. When beginning in investing in the stock market, be sure to not invest too much. Many people make the mistake of putting all of their money into the stock market and end up losing it all. Set limits to the amount you are willing to gamble on, and no matter what, do not go over this limit. If you own stock in an individual company, make it your business to know what is going on with your investment. Read the financial statements routinely, identify the strengths of the competition, and exercise your options to vote, when they occur. Know who is on the board of directors and don't be afraid to ask them questions. Act like the owner that you are and monitor the health of your investment on a regular basis. The information in this video is just a starting point, so put these tips to use and continue to learn as much as you can as you build your investing strategy. While profits will continue to grow for you, staying on top of the latest knowledge and strategy for investing will help you succeed. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.